Word structures is one of the three key words in morphology which has basic elements of word formation, namely morphemes and affixes. Morphemes are the smallest units of language that discuss how words are formed and how they function in a sentence to convey certain meanings, and morphemes are divided into two types, namely morphemes that can stand alone, meaning that the morpheme still has meaning without being attached to other morphemes. And the second is the type of morpheme that cannot stand alone, meaning that the morpheme doesn't have a certain meaning without other morphemes. An example of a morpheme is the word enterprise added micro, then we want to say more than one, then add s to become micro enterprises. So it can be concluded that morphemes have three basic characteristics, and affixes are morphemes or elements added to form new words that can change the meaning or grammatical or lexical function of the word. Yes, morpheme can contain in syntactic function because it is part of the word that can form the structure and order of words in the sentence, as we already know that the syntactic function explains the relationship between words or phrases in the sentence, which is more related to the structure and order of words in the sentence. And morphemes can also contain in the grammatical function because it refers to the role of words or phrases in the context of the sentence, which is more related to meaning and category. For example, syntactical function, she loves playing tennis. And for example, grammatical function, the cat is sleeping. Word form change that occur to indicate certain grammatical information such as time, number, and so on inflection can be placed in several categories, namely verb, noun, adjective, and pronoun. For example, chair to chairs, bus to buses. Word formation is to form another word using an existing word by combining two or more existing words and can change the meaning. For example, handphone. Hand means hand and phone is telephone. Then we combine, they form a new word and have a different meaning. Word formation has two types that can be recognized, namely compounding and derivation. Compounding is divided into four, namely compounding verb, compounding noun, compounding adjective, and compound adverb. Yes, productive word formation is a word formation process that is still frequently used to produce new words and can be applied in many contexts and word types, while less productive word formation is a type of word formation that is rarely used, more limited in its use, or no longer active in new word formation. Example of productive word formation, driving license. An example of less productive word formation is muggle.